Today I would like to show all of you how the motor burning and but have only one pole still connects. This one. Yes, I just with this one plan lock. Okay. Still has the value of the ohm in the ohm points, and this one base don't have. I will be used in the signal. It's like this. Not connect. It's connect. It means this one is still connect with the rotor inside, but this two pole is disconnect from the tail of the rotor already. But this one, no connection, connection. And with the earthing, no something effect with the earthing. No happen. Yes, it means two connection of it was disconnect and this one still connect. Okay, you need to fix this pole, one pole and this pole, O and V for disconnect. Make it the connection inside the tail of the motor back. Okay, and we just still connect. This one still. I will remove this one and then make a video how the tail still connect or not.